Welcome to Explore, Make Money with NFTs for Beginners. Full course. Make Money with NFTs for Beginners, Full Course. Chapter 5. How to Create Your First NFT. There is a common misconception about NFTs that you need to be a technical expert to create them. Some people believe that you need to be a programming expert to create an NFT. This is not true at all. Anyone can create an NFT without any technical knowledge at all. In this video, we will explain what you need in order to create your first NFT. There are 6 simple steps that you need to follow to create and list an NFT for sale. We will explain them all here. A. Decide on an NFT marketplace. You will need to use an NFT marketplace to create and sell your NFTs. There are a number of NFT marketplaces available now and more will be available in the near future. Some marketplaces cater to specific audiences and others require that NFT creators are approved before they can mint and list. At the time of developing this video, the largest NFT marketplace is OpenSea. This website gets nearly 40 million visitors every month and this is increasing. There are millions of NFTs on the OpenSea marketplace. It is one of the easiest marketplaces to use for the creation and listing of your NFTs. B. Get a crypto wallet. A crypto wallet is necessary for the creation of your NFTs. It is also necessary to hold the necessary cryptocurrency that you will need to pay listing and gas fees. Most NFTs are found on the Ethereum blockchain, so it is a good idea to have some Ether crypto available in your crypto wallet. You can set up a crypto wallet for free. The OpenSea marketplace recommends that you go for a MetaMask wallet, which is available as a Chrome browser extension. When you create your NFT, you will store details of it in your crypto wallet. C. Convert your item into an NFT. NFT marketplaces such as OpenSea will allow you to use a number of different file formats to create an NFT. If you are creating a digital art NFT, then you can use a JPG, GIF or PNG file. For movies you can usually upload an MP4 file and for music you can use an MP3 or WAV file. If you need to convert your item into one of the supported file formats, then you need to do this before you create your NFT. You may have a video clip that is in another format than MP4, for example. D. NFT Collection Creation. The next step is to create a collection on the NFT marketplace. Give your collection a name and provide a description that will encourage users of the marketplace to check out your NFTs. You can add an image to your collection as well to make it more appealing. E. Digital Token Creation. With your collection created, you are now ready to create or mint your NFT. You can only create one NFT at a time. Check to see what file formats are supported and also not any upload limits. On OpenSea this is 100 megabytes. Upload your item from your computer and add all of the associated metadata. You have now created your first NFT. F. List your NFT. the final step is to list your NFT for sale. Some NFT marketplaces charge a listing fee, so you need to check this. You will need to have your NFT verified and approved, but usually this is a formality. In the next chapter we will discuss choosing the right NFT marketplace.
Like this video and share. Subscribe this channel for more videos update. View these two videos to enlighten your learning.